What up, guys? In today's video, we're doing an exhaust on Buddy's car. It's a Beamer. We're backing this thing out right now. She's gonna scrape. Jeez. That's a car right there. This car gonna be getting some stuff soon, boy. Gotta hook up that boost leash right there. I gotta finish the tuning. I literally have not touched this car in like 3 months. And it's needed like 2 hours worth of work for it to be done. Not touched it on the garage side. Check.
Go crazy with the fumes.
Yeah. Aw, shit. So what are we doing?
What do you mean?
Throwing a 3-inch all the way back.
Word.
It's on dumps right now.
It's on dumps? Yes. Bro, can we please close this door?
That's like this close.
Yeah, and you know we have to go up to drop it, right? It'll be okay.
That'll be fine.
Yo, buff cuz? He said it's dump. Oh my god. What? Because you just had to order the parts?
Yeah, so I just did it right there.
Hell yeah. Alright.
Hey,
Did y'all weld
in there?
Did y'all weld those?
Yeah, don't show the weld.
Alright, I won't show the welds. I won't show the welds.
That's why I made a 3-inch. That's like the thing I want to go.
So what is the plan here? Are you
So
gonna?
I'm cutting the dumps like.
Oh,
yeah.
I see.
I'm
Okay.
snapping the dumps off and then throwing a Y pipe. Does I have a Y pipe? I just bought it, and then like. Oh fuck.
Did you still
cut a little bit farther down.
single exit this? Oh wait, it is a single exit.
Where's the Y pipe at?
Right here.
So Y pipe into one. So it's a 2-to-1 collector.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No.
You were scared I was cutting, so you're cutting this time.
All right. Oh shit. Where you cutting this? Oh, dude. Yo.
Make sure it's straight.
Where you cutting that shit?
I don't know yet. Wait.
That's heat shield. Just don't penetrate through my gas tank.
Yeah, that'd be a problem.
Where's your gas tank?
Right above it. Look, you see that above your head. Above your head, there's one part.
It cut straight through Donna's. I barely had to pull the trigger.
Should put on glasses or some shit, bro.
Is it cutting? Kinda. You ready?
Go ahead.
Yeah, we upgraded tools. Nah, it's fine. It's gonna spark like a mug. You have to start the wheel first.
I don't like that.
It's fine.
Okay. Here, you want it?
See how fast that was?
Yeah.
Cut the other one too. Cut that bitch off, cuz.
Here, take it.
I know, bitch. Put it this side down.
Yoo! Bam! Zooming in on them fucking welds.
Hey.
Shit's minty, boy. Alright, so it appears to me, ignore these welds. I had nothing to do with them.
Hey. If it works, it's okay.
Alright, yeah, this
I
some
didn't say I was a
DIY.
welder.
That's a real nice welder for you to be doing that kind of work.
Yo, he cut through his heat shield with the Sawzall.
Did he?
Yeah, look.
He said, "Don't." He said, "Don't hit my gas tank."
Alright.
Y'all are gonna. Do y'all have the battery unplugged?
No.
Don't you think it'd be a good idea to unplug your battery when you're welding?
No, just go ahead.
Alright.
You gotta hold it.
I gotta hold that.
Hold it.
Bullshit! I gotta record this.
Just hold it.
Hold on. Get the clamp.
No, I got it.
Oh shit.
Does it look straight?
Damn. Oh damn. All right, now look at it. See if it's. Oh, I saw that one burn right through your pants.
It went straight in the helmet.
So you start spitting.
Yeah. Alright. Am I good to just...
Hold on. You don't need to do that. Don't be shaking it and shit yet.
No, I was putting it up a little bit.
This dude be goofy.
Oh, oh my god! Holy crap!
What?
Oh, bro.
Did you hit?
It burned good.
Oh my god. Ah, God. Dude, that was hot. Did you see it? It was a good weld.
There's a hole about this big in my
Oh
exhaust.
my god, dude, it burned my whole leg. I know it freaking ripped me. Hey, don't show that.
Oh damn. Yeah, you got that too hot.
Oh!
Did it get you again?
Yeah, I got
Where's the hole?
that one.
Oh my god! Alright, let's see if Javier does something different.
Hey, I wouldn't.
That's an ugly ass hole, but that's just to cover it. I don't care.
It burnt a hole through my underwear, too.
So you're like,
Holy crap. Dude.